Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing a fascinating concept called the genius wave. This wave is based on the idea that creativity and innovation can be contagious and have the power to change our lives and the world around us. Genius wave is characterized by three key elements: inspiration, collective creativity, and social impact. First, inspiration is the spark that ignites our creative potential. It can come from a variety of sources, such as art, music, nature, or even a conversation with a stranger. When we are inspired, our minds open up and new ideas begin to flow freely. Second, collective creativity is a collaborative aspect of innovation. When people from different backgrounds, disciplines, and cultures come together, their unique perspectives and ideas intermingle, resulting in something truly remarkable. This collective creativity is what has led to the advances in technology, art, and science that have changed our world. Finally, social impact is the far-reaching effect of innovation on society. Brilliant ideas are adopted and used to solve pressing problems. They can have a profound impact on our lives, such as improving healthcare, environmental sustainability, or social justice. The Genius Wave is about harnessing the power of collective creativity to create a better world for all. In conclusion, the Genius Wave is a powerful concept that reminds us of the limitless potential of human creativity and innovation. By embracing the collective creativity of our communities, we can inspire change and create a better future for all. So let's all try to be geniuses in the literal sense and spread the wave of creativity and innovation around the world.